Hello students, welcome back to another video with Mr. Bui. In today's video, we are going to be learning about the rectangle, especially how to find the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. First of all, let's form a rectangle first. Okay, Mr. Bui has a ruler right here. We're going to draw a rectangle. So Mr. Bui will draw the short side of the rectangle first, and then the long side. All right, so let's do another long side right here. And close it up with the short side right here. All right, so Mr. Bui has the rectangle right here. This is the rectangle because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it had 4. Look at here. It had 4 right angle. Okay, it had 1, 2, 3. No, oh, sorry. 3, 4 right angle. All right. Remember, in a rectangles, the opposite sides are congruent, or in other words, we say they are the same length. So this side right here equal to this side. Okay, let's prove it. So as you can see, this short side is 2 inches. Okay, and it is the same right here. How about the long side? So it is 4 inches. Okay, and right here is also 4 inches. So I can say that they are also congruent. All right, remember the opposite side are the same. All right, so now we know the rectangle, and we are going to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, so the perimeter is the length of the boundary of the rectangle, or we say the perimeter is the distance around the rectangle. So we know that this length is 2 inches. So I'm going to put 2. This side is 4. So I'm going to add 4 more. And how about this side? Because they are congruent, so this also 2 inches. So I'm going to add 2 more. How about this long side? It is 4 inches because I know they are congruent, or they are the same. So I'm gonna add 4 more. Okay, so let's do the math with Mr. Bui. So we have 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12 inch. Okay, 12 inches. Okay, so the perimeter of this rectangle is 12 inches. So now we know that in order to find the perimeter, we need to add 4 sides of the rectangle together. Okay, because the perimeter is actually the length of the boundary of the rectangle, or we say distance around the shape. And in this one we know it's the rectangle. All right, now we need to find the area of the rectangle. So look at this. This rectangle we have, in order to find the area is the amount of space inside the shape. And this one, it is the rectangle. So we need to find the amount of space inside this rectangle. So Mr. Bui has these square inches here. So each square is 1 inch. Okay, it's square. So Mr. Bui will put the square in right here. So we have 1 square inch, 2 square inch, 3 square inches, 4 square inches, 5, 6, 7, and h. All right, so now we know the area of this rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square inches. So I'm gonna put 8 square inches right here. Let's do this. Let's use this color. A square inches. Okay. All right. Am I all done yet? No, because we cannot use these at all the time. Okay, because in your worksheet you cannot use this. But look at this. If I multiply the width of the rectangle to the length of the rectangle, okay, it means that I have 2 times 4 equal how many? 2 times 4, if you do the math, if you watch the video Mr. Wu showed you last time about how to do the multiplication, you know that 2 times 4 equal 8. So we know that in order to find the area of the rectangle, we just need to use the formula area equal the width. It means the stroke side, okay, multiplied by the length of the rectangle, okay. In this scenario, we have 2 times 4 equal 8 inches, square inches. So I'm going to put the 2 is for square. If it's in centimeter, we need to put like this, okay, centimeter, square centimeter, or meter, square meter, or square footage. So it depends on each unit that we use. In this case, we use the inches, so this is 8 square inches. Okay, now let's go right into our worksheet today and let's do it together. Alright students, Mr. Wu has your rectangle worksheet over here and your Google document that you are required to record your answers over here. In this worksheet, you are required to find the area and the perimeter of the rectangle, all right, in centimeters. So let's focus on our number 1 first. So as you can see here, the width is 5 centimeter and the length is 9 centimeter. And Mr. Wu said that the area equal to the width times the length. So we know that in order to find the area, we need to multiply the width by the length. So I know that the area is in number 1, right? Equal, so 5 times 9 equal, right? If you do the math, 5 times 9 equal 45 square centimeters. Okay, so let's pick a different color over here. So we know the area equal 5 times 9. Oh, 9, not 5. So 5 times 9 equal 45 square centimeters. All right, that's our areas. Now we are going to find the perimeter. Okay, let's erase over here. Let's erase over here. Okay, so we know this width is 5, so it's, I know the opposite 5 is, the opposite side is 5 too, and the opposite of the length is 9 too. So in order to find the let's pick different color over here, the perimeter. equal, this side over here is 5 plus this side 9 plus this side 5 and plus this side 9. I know that 5 plus 9 equal 14, and then 5 plus 9 equal 14. So I add these up. 14 plus 14 equal 28. If you have the draft paper, you know you can add it up. It equals 28. So I know over here the perimeter equal 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 equal 28 centimeters. Okay, so we're done with this one. Okay, we're gonna do one more and you are going to do the rest. Okay, let Mr. B erase it right here. All right, let's pick number 4. Okay, let's do this one. So we have the width. Always use a piece of paper. Okay, let's do it again. Always use a piece of paper to write it down. Okay, the width is 4. The width is the short side 4, and the length is 5. Is the long side. Okay, so the area equal the width times the length. So 4 times 5 equal, do it on a piece of paper, it's gonna be equal 20 square centimeters. Okay, I'm gonna put my answer on the Google Doc. So number 4 equal 4 times 5 equal 20 centimeters. Okay, let's find the perimeter. Okay, do this color for perimeter. So perimeter equal, so we know this side 4, so the opposite side of this side is also 4. The length is 5, so the opposite side is also 5, so it's equal 5 over here. Oh, let's pick different color. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 again. Okay, so we know that 5 plus 4 equal 9, and 5 plus 4 also equal 9, and 9 plus 9 equal 18 centimeter. Okay, so I know the perimeter, so I'm gonna record my answer over here is equal 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 equal 18 centimeter. Okay, that's how you do it. Now it's your turn to do the rest and turn it in. Okay, thank you, friends.